Question number 27. Two parallel plates are connected, separated by 5 centimeters. Two parallel plates are separated by 5 centimeters. The variation of electric potential, the distance between the plates is given over here, which is it starts at 0 and then it starts at t equal to 0. It is 20 here and then it goes to 0 here. Which means maybe if I take this as origin, this could be 20, this could be 0. Okay. What is the magnitude of the electric field strength between the plates? What is the field strength here? The field strength is always uniform here. How do you calculate the field strength? Field strength is given by delta V divided by delta X. What is delta V here? Difference in potential is 20. What is the delta X here? 5 centimeters. 5 into 10 power minus 2, which should now be equal to 4 into 10 to the power of plus 2. What is the unit over here? Unit is volt per meter. We can write volt per meter or Newton per coulomb. Okay. So 4 into 10 square. Where is 4 into 10 square? Is there. Oh my god, there is no 4 into 10 square at all. What is wrong in this? We made a mistake here. So this is kilovolt over here, right? So therefore this will be 10 cube once again. So this is what happens. Okay, so 10 cube and this will be 4 into 10 power 5. This should be 4 into 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. So here is 4 into 10 power 5 and this is d.